Have you ever taken a corner and felt the rear end of your car kind of slide out? That is what you call tailspin. And if you own a rear wheel drive vehicle, you definitely want to avoid it. Let me tell you how. Tailspin happens when the rear wheel loses grip, causing the car to spin out. We see this countless of times on rear wheel vehicles because that's where all the power comes from. And if traction breaks, the car spins and bang! Causes of tailspin. Number 1, over acceleration. Too much throttle, especially on wet or loose surfaces. Number 2, sudden steering inputs. Jerky or sharp turns can unsettle the rear. Number 3, lifting off mid-corner. This usually happens when there's an abrupt deceleration, causing to shift all the weight from the rear to the front of the wheels. Number 4, poor tires. Having worn or mismatched tires causes the car to lose grip, especially when needed the most. Wet or icy road conditions. Not having enough traction in such conditions means the rear is much more likely to spin out. So question is, how can you avoid this? Number 1, smooth deceleration. So when you're going around corners and stuff, just slowly get your feet off the acceleration if it's an automatic, or if it's a manual, slowly go around the corner. Number 2, steer smoothly. Avoid sudden movements, especially at really high speeds. Number 3, get proper tires. They might cost you, but you're also trying to prevent your life from being at risk. So always check tire pressure and the tread to make sure it's within safety limits. Number 4, know your car. Always practice like your car's limitations in safe environments. Some OEMs do offer advanced training courses, and which you can always inquire about at your dealerships. Number 5, drive according to the conditions. Wet roads, back off the throttle. And if you can, just leave your rear wheel drive at home because you do not want to take that risk. But if you get caught out, drive slow. And one more bonus tip: if your car has traction control or stability control, leave it on. You do not want to try and mess with that. The reason why new cars have so much tech is for your safety. So you switching it off is actually now overriding all the research that went into that vehicle, so just leave it on. So tailspins are scary, but they can be avoidable, especially if you respect your rear wheel drive machine. So smash the like button if you learned something new today, and also let us know in the comment section below if you've experienced rear wheel. And I'm not talking about drifting or aggressively cornering. Have you experienced tailspin? Let us know below. And while we're here, do like, subscribe, and look forward to more tips and real world reviews. Anyways, catch you on the next one. Stay safe.